In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Drive links on GoHighLevel websites. By the end, you'll have your Drive file neatly displayed right on your page. Using a simple embed you can drop into the builder. Start by grabbing the share link for the file you want to show. Open Google Drive, locate your file, and copy its link. Before you move on, double-check the sharing settings so your site visitors can actually see it. Set it to anyone with the link can view. That one switch prevents the most common "it's not showing up" issue. This approach works well for PDFs, images, videos, and Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. If you're embedding slides or docs, the standard preview link is fine, but you can also use the app's Publish, Embed options later if you want extra controls. Next, create the embed code. Open your AI assistant and paste your Drive link with a prompt like, "Create a responsive iframe embed for this Google Drive preview link at 100% width and about 600 pixels tall." Ask it to return clean HTML you can paste into a website, and make sure the code keeps the content responsive so it looks good on desktop and mobile. When you get the code back, copy it to your clipboard. Head into your GoHighLevel account and open the page or funnel step where you want the content to appear. In the page builder, add a new element and choose the code or custom JS HTML option. This element is where we'll place the iframe so your Drive content can load directly on the page. Open the code editor for that element, then paste the embed code you copied earlier. If you need to adjust the size, it's safe to change the height value to fit your content. Keep the width at 100% for responsiveness, and avoid adding extra scripts you don't need. When everything looks right, save your changes in the editor. Now save the page in GoHighLevel and preview it. You should see the file loaded right inside your layout. If it doesn't appear, revisit the file's sharing settings in Drive. Ensure the link used in the iframe matches your file's preview link, and refresh the page. It can also help to test on an Incognito window or a different browser to rule out caching. That's it. You copied the Drive link, turned it into a clean, responsive embed, placed it in a code element in GoHighLevel, saved, and previewed. With this workflow, you can quickly showcase PDFs, media, or collaborative docs without forcing visitors to open new tabs. Thanks for watching, and happy building!